My name is Ollivierre-Smith, Cath Lab Manager at BMI, the London Independent Hospital. In 2013, I was blessed to have won the title of Nursing Times Nurse of the Year. It was a great honour to have even been a finalist for the award, but overwhelming to win. I'm truly blessed to have such an amazing career in the private sector and to work for a company and team of people who strive for the highest standards of treatment and world-class patient care. BMI Healthcare is a company that is serious about health and passionate about care, that invests in its people, teams and nurses. Without that investment, I wouldn't be where I am today.
So Annie sets a shining example to all our nursing and our wider clinical teams across BMI and across the sector as a whole. As the winner of the most prestigious award in nursing, Annie truly is at the pinnacle of her career, and I'm delighted that BMI Healthcare has been able to support her in achieving this. As the UK's largest independent healthcare provider with over 10,000 staff, BMI Healthcare really is a magnet for the best in nursing, theatre and allied healthcare professionals, as well as the many non-clinical and support staff who also underpin our business. At BMI Healthcare, we focus on clinical excellence, quality of service and efficiency, and we have a well-deserved reputation right across the sector for all of those. BMI Healthcare is nothing without our people, and we invest in people like Annie and all our teams, providing training and development opportunities to keep them at the top of their game. This helps us ensure the care they provide to our patients exceeds the highest standards. Annie is exceptional, and her achievement underlies what can be achieved when you truly are serious about health, passionate about care.
When I was shortlisted for Nurse of the Year, I was so excited. I couldn't believe it. Unbelievable. I was so honoured, and on the night when we went for the presentation, when my name was called, I was again so excited, couldn't believe it. Ran up there, received my award, and for me it's recognition that we are doing a good job in delivering high standard of nursing care at the London Independent Hospital. For my team, for the nurses here and for nurses throughout the UK, that we are being honoured and actually appreciated for the work we do. At the London Independent Hospital, we have a very good management team, from the Executive Director, the Director of Nursing, and down to my level as Departmental Manager, which includes us with the nurses as well. We are very well supported, whether it's training, whether it's patient care. They're always open to suggestions which enable us to extend that care that we need to give to the patients.
My name's Tim Powell, and I'm the Head of Resourcing at BMI Healthcare, and I'm responsible for how we attract, select and retain the very best staff. BMI Healthcare is a great place to work for many reasons. The feedback that we've had from staff themselves highlights three key elements. Number one is the job itself, number two is the people that they work with, and number three are the working hours and environment. Well, as far as the job's concerned, the feedback that we've had from staff is that they're trusted to do the job, that they find it interesting and fulfilling, and that they understand how their role contributes to the success of the organisation. For all our staff, training is essential for the development and maintenance of high standards and absolutely underpins everything that we do at BMI Healthcare. Our clinical staff attend both mandatory and agreed training courses, and they bring this to life in both their roles and the hospitals. As far as the importance of the people that they work with, our staff describe them as a close-knit team that they feel they can rely on and will give them their full support at all times. There are many misconceptions about careers in the private sector, but our patients' feedback highlights the quality of care and high level of acuity that an independent provider can achieve. All our staff, whether clinical or non-clinical, are serious about health and passionate about care, and this dedication to patient care is reflected in everything they do.
Thinking about a career in the private sector is no different than a career in the NHS. The opportunities in the private sector is same as in the NHS. We have people on our staff who've progressed from being a porter to an operating department assistant, people who've started as secretaries and now they're nursing sisters. We do facilitate and encourage training for all our staff.